All right, look what we found. Fish and Mints live from Ilwaco Cider Company. We know you guys have missed her. We miss her every day, but she's here rocking and rolling. They're pouring ciders. They got lots of great things going here. They got food in the back. They got live music at night. They have the best bartender in the world. We know you missed her.
And I miss you guys. So if anybody wants to come by and say hello, I am just across the parking lot from Spawn Fly Fish here at Ilwaco Cider Co.
All right, see you next time.
Okay.
All right,
See you guys. Bye.
we're headed into Spawn. As always, we are always changing here at Spawn Fly Fish, so the look and feel is different almost every time you come in. Pete and I, we just start trying to make this place the best fly shop there is. So when you walk in, look at this just parking lot of boats. You might notice that the electric, the E-pedal that was here previously, absolutely epic boat is gone. Pete sold that sucker on Saturday, but we're gonna get him back. And then if you come in here, you can see that we have increased the amount of Grundens. Grundens has been a phenomenal addition to what we have here at Spawn Fly Fish. We also have some sizes checked back in for our Spawn Fly Fish albacore tee. But here we go, we'll make it through the gauntlet here, touch on a couple new Grundens products that we have. So, come on through here. Here we go. This, you're not gonna find this sucker in very many fly shops. This is a fish cleaning bib. So, you get back, I gotta unbuckle this guy. Get back, get your fillet knife out. You don't wanna put your bibs back on. Got this guy on, stay clean, clean the fish, eat an amazing dinner. These are new here at Spawn Fly Fish. We'll set this over here for now. Oh, and another new product while we're over here. We got the new boots here in from Grundens. Super excited about that. We got both felt and Vibram. We have the studs if you need them. All here at Spawn Fly Fish. Pretty exciting. Again, we got their 3 pairs of waders. Pete and I are going to be rocking those this fall. Super excited to put them to work. All right, keep it on Grundens. What's new? All right, we got the Trident pant. So a lot of people come in here. They come out to Ilwaco. It's pretty nice out, as you guys saw, but it's not always nice out. It rains a lot here. We get almost 100 inches of rain, if not more, annually. And a lot of people forget pants. They don't want to buy waders. They don't want a pair of bibs, so we got some Trident pants, waterproof. These things are really nice. They are on our website as well. So if you're not out here in a pinch, but just want a really nice pair of rain pants, we got those. So really exciting about those guys. What else we got? We got backpacks. You might have seen this on Instagram. I will do a separate video on this. I've talked about it a little bit. This is the best $100 backpack on the market, without question. And we got a mess of them. So, if you're in the need for a waterproof pack, it is a roll top. I use a roll top. It is a great product. So, $100. We're gonna keep bombing back. If I see something new, I will shout. But it looks like we are gonna make our way all the way over here to the land of Guinea. So we've talked about the Guinea options that we have over the last several weeks, but we got one new one here. So we got way more in the bag. So we just set these out here for people to dig around through. We know that people that like feathers want to see a specific one. This is what it's dark purple. So they're gonna be sniffing around over here. So we brought a bunch out for you to check out. So really nice little cape. But the new one that just hit the site is the saddles. So really nice quality product. Here, I'll take that out of the bag so you guys can see it. But really nice. Yeah, stapled on by us here in-house. So nice product, clean product. Really excited to get that on the vise. Let me think. Let me make sure, go over here to my notes, make sure that we got everything right. Yeah, and like I said, they serve non-alcoholic beverages over the next door. Really good coffee. Fish clean. Oh, this is important. So, we got one sale item we want to feature here from Grundens. We got these sweatshirts here. We just marked these down, limited markdown. So pretty sweet sweatshirt, honestly. So really, really cool. That is marked down on our website right now. So check that out this weekend. That will not be marked down indefinitely. So limited time. And I think that really does it for new products. As you can see, the shop continually evolves. We have all of our dubbing is lined up right now, looking locked and loaded. Our feathers, if you can sneak through over here, we got some back repackaged. If you haven't used our Spawn Mallard, we packaged this today. So we get to see a lot of feathers, and we get to see a lot of duck feathers specifically. I'm telling you, this is some of the best mallard I've ever seen. It is phenomenal. We got Northern Shoveler back in stock. So looking really good on the feather front. We packaged some bronze mallard today too. So we got 2 sizes of bronze mallard, looking really, really good as well. But I think that does it. So again, we got lots in stock. We always got new stuff coming. We're always looking to innovate. We got a lot of things rocking and rolling here in the shop. Now we're gonna tune over to the fishing report.
All right, let's talk about fishing for a second, shall we? Specifically, sea run, coastal cutthroat. Fishing has been lights out good. And this time of year, it's even more fun, especially for someone like me who's obsessed with dry flies. So here we've got the Rocktober caddis. Even though it's September, believe me when I tell you, this is what you want to be throwing. Big bugs. Big fish are willing to come up right now, which is not always the case with sea run cutthroat. I know a lot of you think, yeah, you can catch them all year round. Sure you can, but they're not gonna be the big fish. They're just gonna be the fish. Anyway, now's the time. Throw some dries. I will be. Josh is, so I'm sure you guys have seen that vid. It's epic right now. So keep in mind, the closer you get to that tidally influenced water, the better the fishing's gonna be. The fish might be a little bigger. They're definitely gonna be fresher, stronger, and they will put a hurting on a 4-weight, which is a fun day. So we have been seeing some Chinook in the rivers. Not a ton, but enough to get us a little bit excited, and that should get you excited as well. Start thinking about the cooler temps, all that good stuff. We haven't seen too many coho. However, people on the jetty sure have, and they are smacking them right now. So if you wanna have a good time, come down, talk to us here in the shop, and then we'll tell you where exactly to go to have maybe the best fishing day you've ever had.
All right, can I take a peek at this box?
Please.
Oh, wow. What do we got here?
So this is the Rocktober variant box, and it's been getting some use as of late. So you see here, I can't just go with one color body or even just one color wing. Got to change it up every time. So this is how I entertain myself.
Those look good. They look good.
The fish seem to think so.
Heck yeah.
So.
Awesome. Alrighty. It's been a while. We're back with some shop updates. We'll try to be more consistent about them. Before one of you guys complains about the audio, it's Rod Run. We got all sorts of crazy cars outside. This is the best we can do. We changed the last video, so hopefully you noticed that.
YouTube videos have been fixed as far as the audio. Not sure about the Instagram. We're getting it.
We're getting better. We're getting better. So, as always, hit like, hit subscribe.
We'll see you guys on the water.